hanging out with Shade Tree Surgeon himself. I love it, dude. The minute I pulled up and I saw a big old beard flapping, a big black Road King, I go, dude, that's a motherfucker I want to know. Hell yeah.
How are you guys doing today? Bullseye here with another episode of Bullseye TV. Today is day one of the Moto Fest. I do gotta say, last night I have the privilege of hanging out with Whiskey Chaser. And if you don't know Whiskey Chaser, you need to go to his channel, subscribe, leave a comment, tell him that Bullseye sent you. That dude right there rode all the way from New York on his badass Yamaha boat. I mean, come on, man, it doesn't get any better than that. Anyways, I hope I get to meet more guys. I'm excited, man. It's a good 45-minute ride, so I'll just see you guys over there here in a minute. Made it over to Texas Motor Speedway. Now I'm gonna come in here and see if I can find all the guys, all the weirdos, all the crazy mofos.
I'm your man from time to time. So alone, you're my high, and your ways behind my back. Make 'em burn, make 'em cry. Tell them that you said it's my goal. Blessed are the ones who let go.
Fast.
Damn.
Similar to a Goldwing setup. Yeah. Well, some of the guys are already left for today. I know they're pretty tired, so I understand. So, me and Whiskey Chaser decided that we're not done for today. Oh, hell no. We're bikers. And he just rode all the way from New York, so we're gonna go tear some shit up. So we're fixing to head over to a place called the Mule Barn, just about 10 minutes from here. Me and Whiskey Chaser, we're headed to go have a beer. Show him how we do it here in Texas. He used to live in Texas, so he knows how we do it in Texas. Oh, tunnel. You know what's fixing to happen. Man, I tell you what, that Moto Fest is pretty cool. It's got a lot of cool stuff. That BMW R18, man, I'm telling you, I might buy that thing. I'm afraid that if I ride it, I'm gonna end up buying it. And that guy keeps telling me, hey, go ride the bike, man, go ride it. And I'm like, ah, man. I said, man, you know what? One thing I don't like about this bike, it doesn't have windshield and it doesn't have backs. And he's like, okay, watch this. So he takes me around the truck, and guess what he's got back there? About 20 of them with windshield and backs. I was like, man, are you kidding me? He said, this is the classic version, this is how they come, this is how you're gonna get it. And I sat on it and I was like, oh, this thing it's molded for me. Man, that BMW, that sure is a pretty bike. Let's go inside and check it out. Mirror Barn, that was a big success, man. Mirror Barn Sports Bar and Grill, that was a cool place, it's for damn sure. There goes Whiskey Chaser, and here I go, heading back home, baby. Heading back home for the night. We will be back to do it all over again. Oh shit. Okay, I ain't got time for this shit. I gotta go this way. Let's see. Don't try this at home, boys. Is this how we do it here in Texas? We do it wow. Because that's the only way that we know how to do it, boys. Woo! Ramming speed! Yeah, baby! Second day at the Texas Motor Speedway. Look who I just fucking ran into. God damn. Man, this motherfucker right here kept me up till like 1 in the morning last night.
I didn't do it. I didn't do a goddamn.
He had my arm, he was twisting my arm, and I was like, man, let me go home. Let me go home. He said, no.
You're just in love with that server.
No, she was in love with me.
We are having a conversation.
Well, I'm in the conversation now. Hanging out with my man, Yami Noob.
Hey, what's up?
And flip down, hold it with his dildo mounted camera. Oh shit. And it extends. I like it. Influencers in the wild.
I know, right?
Goddamn YouTubers and their fancy cameras. I gotta get it on camera. Start with my man Flip right here.
Gotta be on brand, man. There you go. Gotta be on brand.
I can't see shit.
Me either.
I can't see shit, but we're cool.
Everything's fuzzy.
Everything's fuzzy. This is how we do it in Texas, baby.
It's so hard to find booze around here. I'm fucking savoring that.
Well, the Moto Fest is over. I got my man here, Tim.
What's up?
Tim Mystic, right? Yeah, Tim Mystic. I don't want to get it wrong. Beautiful fucking weather for these races, man. Look at this. Fucking raining all over the place. Hell yeah. But we're not here to see races. We're here to see fucking crashes.
Right.
So we're gonna go in here, have some fun. and get a drink. And I don't know, we'll see. See you guys. Raining's over, let's race! Let's freaking race, come on!
Last night where it was quicker. Well, remember,
Influencers in the wild. Oh.
how badly Wild wanted it. He was willing to win.
I'm watching you. I'm watching you.
He almost took it from wanting too badly. I would say he's too desperate.
Well. The race has got canceled. As you can see, it's another day, and it is actually a beautiful day. But they said there was about 6 inches ruts cut up to the track, and that's unsafe. And you know, even though I was talking about the crashes, man, I was just kidding, man. Come on, we all want to see a good race. We all want to have a good time. But it is what it is. We didn't get to the race. I'm sure I'll see them at some different event eventually. I do want to say though, I want to thank all the guys that came out and rode from far out of state and hang out. All the guys that I met throughout this whole event, man, they were all freaking awesome. And I posted their YouTube channel name at the beginning of this video if you haven't seen it. And the reason why I did that is because most of the people don't watch the video this long. So I wanted to go ahead and do it on the first part of the video so you guys can see some of the cool guys that you guys need to go subscribe to. If you enjoy my content, you're gonna enjoy these guys. They're a great group of guys, every single one of them. And look what I got. I got all the stickers right here. I now forget to put them in. I also got signatures. What I'm gonna do with this set cover, I'm gonna clear it, and then I'm gonna put it back on my bike. I haven't cleared it yet. I just cleaned it up. I just put the stickers on. I wish I would have got more footage from all the guys when I was hanging out. They don't know who they are. Cool guys. Like I said, go subscribe to the channel. Go tell them Bullseye sent you. And whenever I get rid of my bike, I'm gonna take that side cover off and hang it up in my wall somewhere. So this is gonna be it for the video, guys. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for tuning into the channel. And if you haven't yet, please go like and subscribe. Support your boy Bullseye, and I will see you next time.